This virtual tour covers one of the hidden places in Lismore, New South Wales, Australia. Hidden in the rainforest hinterland behind Lismore, Vian Vian Falls is one of those places most people drive straight past without ever knowing it's there. No crowds, no queues for a photo, just cool green light filtering through the canopy, the smell of wet earth and moss, and the steady sound of water falling into the pool below. Bird calls echo through the trees, and the temperature drops the moment you step under the rainforest cover. A place to sit on a rock, put the phone down, and let your shoulders drop for an hour. If you love waterfalls, rainforest walks, and spots that still feel untouched, add this one to your list. Take your time, take your rubbish home with you, and leave it exactly as you found it. This one is for the nature lovers. One thing worth adding: check current road and track access, since the roads in that area are gravel and can close after heavy rain. Check NSW National Parks for track closures before you go.